18 New Technology Trends for 2024. Technology today is evolving at a rapid pace, enabling faster change and progress, causing an acceleration of the rate of change. However, it is not only technology trends and emerging technologies that are evolving, a lot more has changed, making IT professionals realize that their role will not stay the same in the contactless world tomorrow. And an IT professional in 2024 will constantly be learning, unlearning, and relearning. 1. Generative AI. 2. Computing power. 3. Smarter devices. 4. Datification. 5. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. 6. Extended reality. 7. Digital trust. 8. 3D printing. 9. Genomics. 10. New energy solutions. 11. Robotic process automation, RPA. 12. Edge computing. 13. Quantum computing. 14. Virtual reality and augmented reality. 15. Blockchain. 16. Internet of Things, IoT. 17. 5G. 18. Cybersecurity.